see how I look without glasses. This is me without glasses. I look okay. That was me drinking without glasses. This is me talking on the phone without glasses. This is me being bored at work without glasses. Look, it's Carmen, everybody!
I'm here. That's why extended warranty.
Trying to sell us a camera.
Yeah, right. Starting the camera with an SD 4 gig and damage service plan.
For how many years?
IRC. For
How
3
many?
years.
3 years.
8940.
I don't want it.
No, wait, video.
Hello. So how do I look? Better with glasses or without glasses? Work is so boring. There's nothing to do. Except sit here. Record things. Okay. Am I boring you? Yes. Okay.